Forget everything you know about mobile gaming. iQOO is back, and the number 15 is here to claim the crown. Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 7000 mAh battery, 144 Hz 2K display. This isn't just a phone, it's a dedicated gaming machine that happens to fit in your pocket. This is the iQOO 15, and we're seeing how much power they crammed into this thing. Vivo's sub-brand iQOO is back with a bang. The new iQOO 15 has officially launched in China, and it's shaping up to be one of the most powerful and surprisingly affordable gaming flagships of the year. At its core is Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, built on a 3nm process, paired with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.1 storage. It reportedly scores over 438,000 points on AnTuTu's GPU test. Serious power for a phone at this price. A dedicated Q3 gaming chip enables frame rate interpolation and game resolution upscaling. Developed over 2 years with Samsung, the 6.85-inch 2K Everest display uses M14 luminous material and the world's first 2K lead OLED tech. It delivers up to 6,000 nits of peak brightness, 2,600 nits full screen, and 1,000 nits manual, making it one of the brightest displays on any phone. The display also supports 3,200 Hz instant touch sampling, powered by a custom chip for ultra-smooth response. The phone's thermal management is equally aggressive. A large vapor chamber filled with 200 million nanographene particles, dual graphite layers, and an 8,000mm VC heatsink help it stay cool. In the company's testing, the phone reached just 39.3 dcs after an hour of Genshin impact, which is impressive. It runs on a 7,000 mAh silicon carbon battery, supports 100-watt wired and 40 watts wireless charging. It also supports PPS-PD protocols for universal compatibility and bypass charging to preserve battery during long gaming sessions. Photography is handled by a triple 50-megapixel setup, Sony IMX921 main sensor, 1.56 with OIS ultrawide, and 3 Sony IMX882 periscope telephoto, 1.95 with an M-shaped prism design. A 32-megapixel selfie camera handles selfies and video calling. iQOO's imaging algorithms add features like live photos and AI-enhanced effects for improved results. In terms of software experience, users get Origin OS 6 based on Android 16, which will also power the phone globally next month. Aside from the hardware improvements, this shift to Origin OS for global users will serve as a big selling point. The iQOO 15 is available in 4 colors, each with a sleek AG micromatte finish and anti-fingerprint coating. The middle frame is slightly curved at the edges for comfortable grip, while the updated Halo light strip offers a refreshed look. Priced from $589, the phone combines a cutting-edge Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chip, a Samsung-built 2K display, and a huge battery aimed squarely at gamers and power users. Rounding out the features, we have an IP68 IP69 rating for water and dust resistance, symmetrical dual stereo speakers, and a fantastic X-axis linear motor for haptics. Let me know in the comments, is this the gaming phone for you? Don't forget to like this video. Subscribe for more tech reviews. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.